Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of solar energy and taking a closer look at Utah-based Blue Raven Solar. With soaring energy costs and increasing concerns about the climate crisis, more and more people are turning to solar power to reduce their utility bills and embrace renewable energy. Blue Raven Solar has been making waves in the industry since 2014, focusing solely on residential solar installations. With a team of over 3,000 spread across the U.S., they've quickly become a key player in the market, even being acquired by SunPower in 2021. Solar panels not only help you save on utility bills, but they also add value to your home and reduce your carbon footprint. Plus, with recent incentives like tax credits, it's a smart move to consider solar energy. Blue Raven offers a high level of customer interaction and satisfaction, with speedy, high-quality installations performed by their trained in-house employees. They don't rely on third-party contractors, ensuring consistent service. Blue Raven sources solar panels from well-known brands like REC, SEG, Maxeon, and SunPower, focusing on the system's size rather than the brand. They exclusively offer SunPower's SunVault batteries, which provide ample energy storage options. While specific pricing isn't shared, Blue Raven offers various financing options to suit your needs. From their Blue Power Plus plan to cash purchases, they aim to make solar energy accessible to all. Blue Raven prides itself on strong customer service, and their online reviews reflect that. With an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, they aim to keep customers satisfied. So, if you're looking to embrace clean and renewable energy while saving on utility bills, Blue Raven Solar is worth considering. Remember, research different installers in your area, get multiple quotes, and find the best fit for your needs. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.